apat na kakasama sa jury, wala naman kaming alitan apat eh. Maganda yung banding namin, yung katawanan, talagang walang tension kahit na yung dalawa bulan, yung dalawa tala. Sabi mo sa kanila snake na.
Pero talaga akong masasabi sa kanya na wala nang bababa pa dun eh, sa ginawa niya eh.
Okay sana yung he played the villain role. But sinama niya yung personal life ng ibang tao at personal life niya. That's foul.
It means he has nothing. He's worth nothing. He's just a liar.
Nakaka-disappoint kasi gumagamit siya ng mga barahan na personal eh. Tas in the end, gagamitin niya against you. Kakausapin pa yung alliance mo at sisiraan ka. Talagang ahas. Tama yung sabi ni Art ni Chucky, ahas talaga.
So, meron kami naisip na sport na pwede naming laruin ng sama-sama.
Nag-decide kami na mag-basketball with the locals. Actually, ito yung point talaga in time na sobrang gumanda yung pakiramdam ko.
Actually, I can't trust them 100% pa rin eh. Nag-usap kami ni Betong. Tapos sabi ni Betong na wala pa silang pinag-uusapan. Si Betong, mas namin yung kanina na, pero sabi niya, syempre, ang baboto niya, yung baboto mo.
So, para kami.
And then, nung kinausap naman namin si May, they're in a disagreement daw, gano'n. So, malabo. That's why nung time na yun, kinakabahan na ako. Tapos sabi ko, Arnie, parang feeling ko kailangan ko yung immunity bracelet tonight. Sabi ko, kailangan natin yung immunity bracelet tonight. It actually went to a point na hinahanap na namin ni Arnie sa bag niya, Ate May, ni Betong. Hinahanap na talaga namin kasi for me, I really thought we needed it na eh. And I knew she wasn't gonna return it Tribal Council Day. Hindi talaga babalik yun.
If you want to take that control, once you go down that path, you can't go back. So if you want the odds, then you need it. If you want to shift the odds.
I feel bad about stealing.
So why? But if you feel strongly about it, then it's your choice.
Are you coming back here? It's mine anyway, right? Hindi na pwede ulitin sa akin. Kasi as long as solid for tayo, hindi rin yun.
Yeah, you can always say, well, that's fine, what you're saying. That's not argument.
I'd say to Mara, if you want the bracelet, you're gonna have to take it. But I didn't mean that. You literally have to go in the bag and steal it. But alam mo, this is Survivor. There is no rules. So I didn't really, I didn't find it a big deal if she wants to go through the bag because it's her bracelet.
Arnie, can you stop for me?
What?
It's not even stop. Maybe you should talk to me. Could be new tonight. Can you go with me there and talk to me? Tell me everything. I know I need it. Sabi ko, hindi natin gawin to. This is really bad. Sabi ko, this is not me. Sabi ko, okay, hindi natin pa ito gawin kasi alam kong akin yun. Binigay ko sa kanila. Pero crazy lang na maghanap kami sa bag.
Make sure something. You should the bag. Where else you should go? Check Betong's bag.
Huh?
Check Betong's bag.
Don't help me do it. Check that bag first. I'll check the other bag. Bag that's fine with me.
This is crazy.
I know.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. I'm really not. Maybe you should talk to me first. Grabe talaga ng time na yun. Tawang-tawa na lang ako sa sarili namin kasi na-realize ko na survival will make you do the craziest things. Take that. It's not over.
So I walked to the bag of May, I looked at it, I put my hand inside, and then I thought, I can't do this. I'm not a thief. And I just couldn't do it. There isn't a bone in my body that wants to steal something. So in the end, I said, let's just calm down and let's just try and discuss with May the vote.
No, that's okay. Stop it. Hey, listen.
Why even give it to them?
Get control for a second, all right? Maintain. Don't go crazy. People do crazy stuff, all right? Let's just not resort to dirty play, okay? So let's not search people's bags. Let's just talk, ask, and see what they say.
Biglang tinawag ako ni Arnold na nag-hysterical na si Mara. At si Mara that time, napapraning. Naiintindihan ka na, pero wala pa siyang desisyon.
Si Beto couldn't give us a straight answer. And si Beto parang unsure, gano'n. And Ate May, talagang hindi niya boboto si Steph. And Ate May really loves Casey from the start pa lang. So, parang iniisip ko na ano kayo mangyari, na kahit na may reassurance si Beto na hindi ikaw, Mara, ganyan. Deep down, alam ko na something's going on. Something wasn't right.
Ano lang siya?
Actually, one of our options today is to give it up to you. The best.
We don't want to. Kasi we want to go all the way. We want to stick with our...
Yes.
I want to stick with you guys.
The thing is...
I don't want to talk about it. I leave it to you guys and say, it's not it. Because that really wasn't for me to use or for you guys to use. It's just for me to show you that I trust you guys for now. I do trust you. I trust you. But, di ba, sabi na ni Ate May sa akin, since we had that parang habit natin na yung solid tayo apat. Sabi niya, but the game can change everything. So now,
Nung mga oras na yun, hinihingi na sa akin ni Mara yung bracelet uli. Isipin mo yun, para kaming sanglaan. Sinangla, tapos ngayon gusto niyang tubusin. So, weird. So sabi namin, no Mara, we will not vote for you. And sabi naman ni Arnold, pasensya ka na, Beto, kailangan talaga lang malaman ni Mara kasi she feels na siya na ang susunod.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
Pasok, Tribo Apulaki! Ilagay ang sulo sa mga lalagyan, pagkatapos ay pwede na kayong maupo.